my fucking arm.
I ain't trying to break your arm. I'm trying to get you to move.
Then stop and I'll fucking move. Fucking jackass.
You gonna move or not?
I'm gonna pull my pants up. Is that okay?
If you don't mind, let's just chat for a second.
Yeah, I have nothing to chat with you about. None at all. I have literally nothing to say to you.
Okay.
So you want me to go get her? So you can listen to her bullshit?
No, I'll get her in just a second. What's your name?
I just told you I don't feel like talking to you.
Well, I would prefer you don't go in the house.
I'm not going in the house. I'm over the door and telling her to hold me. There she is right there.
Do you want to stay in here?
No, if you want to come out and tell me what's going on.
I don't feel safe around him.
Okay.
I don't want him here.
Okay.
One problem with that.
Do you live here?
I've lived here for 2 years.
He's not on the lead. He's threatening me. He ripped my bedroom door off the hinges.
Give me 1 second.
Door,
Give me 1 second.
See my door.
You told me that you don't have anything to say to me.
To her, I'm not talking. No, don't. Look, I'll
Did you
talk.
change
This
your mind?
is fucking America. I'll do any goddamn thing I want to do. I will. You get fucking bring him on. Bring him on. You tell me I can't fucking talk in this fucking country? I have literally nothing to say to you. In this fucking country? Bitch, is your face next to my finger? Fucking idiot. You're worse than she is. Fuck you.
All I asked.
No, I don't give a fuck. But no, all you asked was shit. What your exact words were your exact fucking words were. You said you didn't want to talk to me. You didn't fucking ask me shit. Sir. You made a fucking statement saying that this is not fucking America and I'm not allowed to talk to whoever the fuck I want to.
I said.
That's what the fuck you said.
I said, did you change your mind? Can you just come over here until my partner gets here?
No. Fuck you and fuck your fucking partner.
I'm just trying to figure out what happened.
Look, go talk to her. Go listen to that bitch's lies, and then you come back and talk to me.
Okay.
How's that?
I just didn't want you to go back inside.
I am going back in the fucking house.
Okay, if you could just stay out here for a second.
No. How's that? Absolutely not. I'll be back out.
Okay, sir, I'm giving you a lawful command to not step back inside, okay?
And I'm telling you to get the fuck off my property.
You need to come step out here. Come step out here right now.
I'm not walking over there. I'm on my motherfucking property, my motherfucking yard, and I'll damn well stand wherever the fuck I want to.
Don't step near me again.
Or what? Oh, I'll back up there. How about if I run in the house?
How about you don't?
How about I fucking will and I'll lock your fucking ass out, and then I'll wait for you to kick the door.
Stand right here.
I'm standing right here where I want. Matter of fact, I'm not standing here any longer. I'm going to sit right there in that fucking chair.
You can sit in that chair.
Oh, I can. I know I can. Okay. Or I can stand right here. Don't fucking step towards me not one more motherfucking time.
Go sit in that chair.
How do you like that? Don't step fucking towards me. What'd you tell me?
I told you not to take another step near me.
You step towards me!
Go sit in that chair.
Fuck you.
Go sit in that chair.
Make me.
Go sit.
Let me see you fucking make me sit in that chair. Go ahead. Yeah, you ain't got shit to say, do you? You're pissing me off.
I don't understand
Do
what
not
I
tell
did.
me what to do.
I don't know what
Period.
I said.
Well, I'll tell you, you didn't say any goddamn thing. I'm telling you now, you're a fucking cop, and I don't like talking to cops.
Okay.
And then you're telling me where I can and can't stand, and then you're trying to make me go sit down and telling me I can't go back in my fucking house? Who the fuck are you to tell me anything? Literally, tell me who the fuck you are to tell me anything.
The way that you're speaking to me right now
is what?
I'm thinking of officer safety. That's it. Okay.
Fuck you.
What do you mean?
That's what I mean is
okay.
Fuck you. And fuck you, if you look at this, fuck you too.
If you could talk, all right. You need to go sit down.
You need to get the fuck out of my face. And do not step towards me again.
I'm not playing with you. Go sit down.
Go fuck yourself. I'm not sitting down. I'm waiting right here until you guys figure this shit out.
I gave you a lawful order to not go in the house. You didn't do that. We're cool.
There you go.
Right?
So go take care of your fucking business and then get the hell off the property.
You don't tell me what to do.
You okay?
No, I'm not. You're yelling at my partner.
I don't give a fuck. Your fucking partner's a fucking piece of shit. Telling me what I can and can't motherfucking do at my own.
We're here to investigate something.
Then
you're screaming at
me. And me? Man, look.
I'll shoot this team. We gotta keep fighting.
I'm not fucking.
Listen, stop. You're gonna get tased.
Boy, I tell you what.
You're gonna get tased.
Tell me what.
For what?
Stop. You're
Stop
gonna get
what?
tased. Turn around, put your hands behind your back now.
No.
He's resisting.
I am not.
Put your hands behind your back now!
You're a fucking joke.
Put your hands behind your back!
You gonna comply or not?
Dude, let me get rid of my cigarette, and then I'll gladly put my hands.
I'm not playing your game. Put your cigarette down. Put your hands behind your back now.
You don't need to be grabbing on me. Put the fucking cuffs on me.
Alpha 213, 1 secure.
Slow everyone down.
Let's go. We're going to my car.
For what?
It doesn't matter. You're detained right now.
I'm asking you if I'm under arrest.
I said it doesn't matter. You are not under arrest. You are being detained right now. And you will walk to my car, or else I'll drag you there.
You might have to.
Okay, great. Well, then you'll get charged with resisting.
I thought you already said I was resisting.
You are resisting. Do you want me to charge you with it?
I'm letting this mother... Hey,
Let's go now!
are you done doing your thing?
Yep. Let's go, bud.
Hey, dude.
Don't you hey, dude, me.
Oh, you talking about I'm talking to you.
Yeah, it's fine. Go ahead, talk.
I'm back.
What's wrong with you guys?
Seriously? Stop. Let's go. Now!
I am waiting for this man to double lock my fucking cuff. And you start dragging.
All right, you are now under arrest. Let's go. Stop resisting!
Don't try to hook my leg.
Don't try to break my fucking arm.
I ain't trying to break your arm. I'm trying to get you to move.
Then stop and I'll fucking move.
You gonna move or not?
I'm gonna pull my pants up. Is that okay? Or you don't give a fuck? You want me to walk to the car with my underwear
You
on?
can pull your pants up. Go ahead.
Let's go.
Hold on. Jesus Christ. You fucking dirty motherfucker. You fucking cuffs hurt, you fucking piece.
He's got gloves.
Come on.
Put your belly against the car now.
Stop pushing on me. I'm standing here in cuffs. That ain't fucking
Put your
enough.
belly against the car.
Or what?
I'm giving you a lawful command.
Or what? Dude, you do see him. I'm standing up against the car. So do what the fuck y'all are doing.
All right. Well,
I'm not doing shit.
Why don't you comply? All right.
That's why.
Thank you.
Fucking asshole. Don't fucking touch me, man. Put that shit back in my pocket. And at no point in time did I ever say go ahead and fucking search me. I never gave you permission to search me.
Being searched is incident to arrest, sir.
Arrested for what?
Resisting.
Resisting to what?
Me. Lawful commands.
You're stupid. If I'm under arrest and I'm resisting arrest, I have to be under arrest.
You are under arrest. I
Now!
You're under arrest. Shut up.
F you. Don't you ever tell me to fucking shut up.
How many times have you told me to shut up, bro?
How many times? Who gives a fuck? What are you doing, dude?
Stop.
Quit fucking assaulting me. I don't think that shit's
Stop
funny.
kicking me.
Hey, just stop me.
Did I kick you?
You just kicked me.
Did I kick you?
You might want to lower your voice.
For what?
Lower your fucking voice.
Now it's my fucking voice?
Yep.
Okay. Pigs are fucking special. Okay.
Stop pushing back.
Then quit pushing on me.
Stop kicking and stop pushing back.
You're a dumb bitch. I ain't kicked anybody. Fucking scumbags. Come to a motherfucker's house and try to make him sit on the ground like he's a fucking animal.
I didn't say sit on the ground.
Go fuck yourself. You don't tell me to sit, period. I'm not your fucking dog.
You said you were going to sit, and I said that's fine. Just don't go in the house.
No, what you said was just go sit down.
Are we done here? Is he searched?
I would hope so.
Stop pushing back.
Get off my fucking dick.
Well, if you comply, we'll have this issue.
There's 4 of you.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, fuck you two, bitch.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Let's go. Get me in the car. Put my phone and my wallet back in my pocket. We will be fucking fighting over my damn car.
Sit.
You want to move your arm so I can sit?
Sit.
Without hurting you?
Sit.
I'm not a dog.
Sit.
Yes, sir. Woof, woof. Fucking
Down.
loser. Go fuck yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck you too.
You did what you were told, right? Okay.
I have no idea what
Are
happened.
you hurt? You okay? Anybody else hurt?
But seriously, I don't have a clue what happened. He was outside and he started acting like this. She came out to tell me what was happening, and I asked him. He said he doesn't have anything to say to me. And then when she started talking, he decided it was time to start talking. And I said, "Sir, you just told me you don't want to talk to me. Did you change your mind?" And he started freaking out.
This is my uncle.
Okay.
My mother.
Y'all live here together?
He's not on the lease, but yes, he does live here with me.
Okay.
My mother lived here with us too at one point. About a month ago, she got into a car accident. She's now in a rehab, learning how to walk and everything. He lost his job. He doesn't do anything around the house. I've been begging for help. He won't help. He smokes weed. I smoke weed too. I overheard a conversation that he had today with my son in the bedroom about going and buying weed, and I don't know exactly what else he said, but he was asking for some other stuff. So that pissed me off because you're having those conversations around my 4-year-old. I called my mother. I spoke to my mother and a couple other family members about it, and I told him I'm done. I don't want him here anymore. When he came in, I said, what did you go buy? He said, I bought weed and a pill. I said, you bought pills? And then he started screaming at me and calling me a stupid bitch and telling me I needed to talk fucking tough to him. And he threw all kinds of laundry and everything all over the living room. And when I walked down the hallway to my bedroom, I told him I was calling 911. He kicked my door in and broke one of the hinges on the door.
Your door?
Yes, this is my bedroom.
Okay, so he willfully broke your door. Okay, was he going after you, or
he was following me screaming. I don't think necessarily he was going to put his hands on me. I can't really say that. I don't know. I've seen him when I was younger put his hands on my mother before.
So he made no threats towards you or anything like that?
No, when I told him I'm calling the police, I'm scared. He said, you should fucking be scared.
Okay.
I don't want him here.
Alright, he didn't touch you, he didn't touch your son or
He did not physically get a chance to touch me now.
They're not family members?
They are family members, but they don't live together as a family. Like, it's not a communal thing. He's her uncle.
I want to say thank you, and I want to apologize for that because you don't deserve that. And you guys worked really hard for what you did. That really freaking upset me. I didn't think he was like that.
It's okay.
You guys don't deserve that at all. You guys put your life on the line every freaking day for us. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I appreciate your kind words. Thank you very much. I'm sorry that happened to you.
Thank you.
He was trying to kick us, stuff like that.
You are lying through your teeth, lady. At no point did I ever try to kick any of you. How dare you say that?
Okay, well, good thing my body camera was facing down.
Thank God it was, because I didn't try to kick none of you.
The judge can see that.
Yeah, let's make sure he does see that, please. I cannot fucking believe you just said that. You think I'm fucking some karate fucking expert? I'm going to let you put the cuffs on me, and then I'm going to assault you. Think about that, lady.
Alright, sir, a couple questions before you come in. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
Absolutely not.
Do you have any drugs or weapons on?
Absolutely not.
Do you feel like you want to hurt yourself or anyone else?
No, sir.
Okay, come on out.
I got it. To watch that fucking arm, I got a new elbow.
Okay.
You see this? You see the big scar?
Yep. Where's the other shoe at?
No, they fucking stole it. Stole it and threw it out the window, I said. Bodycam show that?